Hey everyone, welcome to Sharda. Today we are making Dahi vada or Dahi bhalla. It's a very popular Indian street food. So firstly, to make the vadas, here we are going to need black gram lentils or urad dal, and we are going to take about 1 cup of this and we are going to wash it thoroughly and soak it in the water for 4 to 5 hours. So here we have soaked it and drained the water. Now we are going to make it into a paste in the mixer. So to make the paste, first we're going to take the black gram lentils. Next I'm going to add 2 green chilies and ginger chopped. And lastly I'm going to add some water. And now I'm going to grind it into a fine paste. So here this beautiful fine paste is formed, you can see. Now to this I'm going to add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And now I'm going to keep on whisking it and mixing it for about 5 to 6 minutes. So it will become into a nice fluffy paste. So after 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. And now we are going to fry it. So here first we are going to heat the oil. Make sure it's not too hot or not too cold. It should be in a medium temperature. Okay, so now to make the vadas, first we are going to dip our fingers into the water and then take a small amount of the batter, and now we are going to carefully dip it into the oil, just like that. So you can see they have started fluffing up and they have come upwards. So we are going to fry them until they turn into golden brown color. And also make sure that you're going to cook it on the medium flame. So they have got a nice golden brown color. So I'm going to just remove it on a paper towel. So next we are going to soak our vadas into a buttermilk mixture, which I'm just going to show you how to make. So here we have took about 2 to 2.5 glasses of water. And to that I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of beaten yogurt. I'm just going to mix it well. Now if you want, you can just soak it into the plain water, but yogurt just gives it a very nice flavor and taste. And I'm also going to add half teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Now let's put in our vadas. I'm going to let it soak into this water for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, you can see how it looks. It looks something like this. So when you're ready to use the vadas, just take a piece of vada, squeeze out the water, just like that. Now let's start making the dahi vadas. So I'm just going to drizzle some beaten yogurt on the top of the vadas. Next I'm going to put some sweet tamarind chutney and green coriander chutney, which gives a nice spicy taste. A pinch of black salt, a pinch of red chili powder, pinch of roasted cumin powder, and some chaat masala. So there you go, your beautiful dahi vada is ready. Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda. Today we are making Palak chaat, or you can call it as Palak pakoda chaat. For this we need Palak pakodas. It is very simple to make the pakodas. All you need to do for that is wash your palak or spinach thoroughly and then let it dry. Next we are going to dip it into the besan batter. It is easy to make the besan batter. All you need to do is just add some salt and red chili powder and some water into your chickpea flour and mix it properly and make it into besan batter. Just like how you make some simple pakoda batter, and then dip your spinach into the batter and then deep fry it, and you get your palak pakodas. Palak pakoda chaat is a very interesting and really tasty chaat. So let's begin. So first we are going to start by breaking the pakodas so that it becomes easier to eat while making chaat. Next I'm going to add in beaten yogurt. Now let's put a tamarind sweet chutney and green coriander chutney It is a nice spicy chutney. Now on the top, I'm going to put boiled and finely chopped potatoes and some finely chopped onion. And now again, I'm going to just top it with some yogurt. And again, some tamarind chutney and green coriander chutney. Just a little bit. This just creates a nice 2 layers. Next, I'm going to just use some pinch of black salt. Sprinkle some red chili powder and roasted cumin powder. And some chaat masala. And finally, sprinkle save, nice amount of save for that nice crunch. And your palak pakoda chaat is ready. Welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Today we will make Dahi papdi chaat. So for that we will need 1 cup of yogurt. We have just beaten it with a spoon or the whisk. Then about half cup of boiled potatoes. Then about 10 to 12 safe puris. And you get this kind of puris in the market very easily. Save, some bundi, some coriander leaves for garnishing, green chutney, tamarind chutney, about half to 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, about half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, and about half teaspoon of chaat masala. Okay, so we'll start preparing. So for that, first place your puris on the plate or any kind of vessel or whatever you are using. And then we'll place potatoes. Okay, so now we'll put bundi. Okay, so now we'll prepare our yogurt over here. For that we'll add sugar, red chili powder, salt, black salt, cumin powder and chaat masala, and give it a nice mix. So after adding all these spices, it looks like this, and it is actually gonna just enhance the taste of your dahi puri. Okay, so now we'll put dahi on the top. Okay, so next we'll add our imli chutney or tamarind chutney, and it is going to give a nice sweet and tangy taste. And then we will add green chutney. And it gives a nice spicy taste. Okay, so now for garnishing on the top, we'll add some more bundi. Then we'll add save. Sprinkle a good amount of save on the top. Okay, so now we'll add chaat masala. Just sprinkle some chaat masala on the top. Then cumin powder. And red chili powder. And lastly, we'll sprinkle some coriander leaves. Okay, so there you go. Our dahi papdi chaat is ready.